Titi. Lagi sa gitna para kita yung mga pasaway na truck dito sa may slow lane ng pasaway, pero dito dire-diretso lang. Bago magawa yan, sira na naman tong mga nasa gitna. Talaga pag tulay, oh, parang gawa na. Yan, oh. Maganda. Ayan na naman ang tulay. Ayan na naman ang tulay. Ganda, oh. Sana po sobrang tibay niya sa Tagalog for safety din.
Tagal na panahon na po na wala tayong port congestion. Makikita po natin maliwag pa po, no? Ang ating container yards na iti-compare that contribution na ang port congestion ang saan ang BPA ang dapat na namamahala ay
parang nasementohan na.
na malayo sa katotohanan.
Dati lupa yan eh, nagsimentado. Baltimore.
Puro litro ng agriculture nationwide. Robas, 75 pesos. SRP, pagtapit lamang. Robas, para sa mga kalalakihan. Sabi sa inyo ng ABC Healthcare International Corporation, mahalagang paalala ang Robas ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin pang gamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Robas, para sa mga kalalakihan. Di umaatras sa bawat laban. Donnie Pangilinan here with Anthony. Dad, what's your love language? Connecting eye to eye. E pag lumabong mata, EO Executive Optical. Expert eye care. State-of-the-art facilities. Eye to eye. Tinig-tinig yun. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes, guys. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Sabi ng Winnie, mag-exo na lagi. Ang number 1, iulosan ng bayan, 8 pesos SRP lang. Bili na. Alas 6. I-35 mo na muna umaga.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
11 pagpato ka. Kaya sa ngayon, tipid-tipid muna dahil na expensive ang presyo ng itlog.
Ayan na. So, sabi naman sa survey at